full-body teleportation system. Abstract a pulsed gravitational wave wormhole generator system that teleports a human being through hyperspace from one location to another. Brief summary of the invention. 0001 This invention is a system that teleports a human being through hyperspace from one location to another using a pulsed gravitational wave traveling through hyperspace. A full-body teleportation system consisting of generating a pulsed gravitational wave which propagates through a magnetic vortex wormhole generator, and generating a wormhole with the magnetic vortex generator whereby the pulsed gravitational wave traverses through the wormhole and enters into hyperspace where the wave is enormously magnified due to the lower speed of light in that dimension. 2. The method of Claim 1, wherein the step of generating the pulsed gravitational wave comprises using two granite stone obelisks, mounting monochromatic wave toroidal waveguides on top of each obelisk to create a rotating, twisting, propagating gravitational wave through the vertical axis of each obelisk, and creating a cylindrical compression and expansion in each obelisk to produce a plane gravitational wave traveling down the center line between the two obelisks. 3. The method of Claim 1, wherein the step of generating a wormhole into hyperspace comprises using two concentric cylindrical solenoidal coils of different radii connected by a single wire wrapped in opposite directions on thin iron transformer laminate, generating bucking electric fields down the center line of the vortex generator which creates a space-time curvature distortion with negative energy in accordance with Einstein's general theory of relativity. 4. A teleportation system comprising generating a gravitational wave traveling through hyperspace which interacts with the human energy being, and pulling the human energy being and physical body out of dimension when interacting with the pulsed gravitational wave such that the person is teleported from one location to another through hyperspace and back again into our 4D space-time dimension.
John Quincy St. Clair, San Juan, Puerto Rico. Full-body teleportation system, a pulsed gravitational wave wormhole generator system that teleports a human being through hyperspace from one dimension to another. Fascinating. Got to check that patent out. Freeze frame, check on their patent number. Make sure you read that patent. Patent 0071122. Use patent to PDF. PAT, the number 2, PDF. You could download any PDF number. U.S. patents. All right. The triangular spacecraft. 0145019. Spacecraft having a triangular hull with a vertical electrostatic line. Charges on each corner that produce a horizontal electric field parallel to the sides of the hull. The field interacting with the plane wave emitted by antennas on the side of the hull generates a force per volume combining both lift and propulsion. Amazing. Make sure you read for entertainment purposes only, for educational purposes only. Magnetic vortex wormhole generator 0197093. This invention relates to a magnetic vortex generator which has the ability to generate negative mass and the negative spring constant which, according to Einstein's general theory of relativity, is required in order to create a stable wormhole between our space and hyperspace. And it goes really intense. So to read for yourself, extremely intense. I'm just trying to lead you to the water. I'll give you a fishing pole and show you how to fish. For educational purposes only. Intense reading. Remote viewing amplifier 0072226. An apparatus which enhances the ability of a person to perform remote viewing by connecting the human spiritual eye to the tetrahedral geometry of subspace. Read. Intense. Walking through walls training system 00141125. This invention is a training system which enables a human being to acquire sufficient hyperspace energy in order to pull the body out of dimension so that the person can walk through solid objects such as wooden doors. You have to walk a certain way, and it's about right angles and how nothing touches, and how if you hit the right angle, basically all your atoms can pass through something to that effect. Pretty intense. Pretty intense reading. John Quincy St. Clair. Never seen nothing like it. Hyperspace Research Institute. Hyperspace torque generator. A hyperspace torque generator which comprises a flat bi-filler magnetic bucking field electrical coil, crystal ball, lever arm, and frequency generator for producing a linear flow of hyperspace energy at right angles to a rotating flow of astral chakra energy. Wow. It's intense. Chi energy amplifier 0285325. A Chi energy amplifier that utilizes a cold gravitational K field to generate a flow of hyperspace energy in and out of ceramic dome containing a slot antenna. Wow. Just got to understand what you're seeing. Water energy generator 01800473. A water energy generator that generates electricity using a magnetic vortex wormhole generator and a water injector vacuum chamber to produce low-density hyperspace energy that causes hydrogen atoms of water molecules to decay into electron pairs. Rotating electrostatic propulsion system. This invention relates to a spacecraft propulsion system utilizing thrusters comprised of motor-driven electrostatically charged cylinder rotating within an electrostatically charged annular ring for the purpose of creating space-time curvature, stress, energy, tension in the horizontal direction. Wow. I'm going to stop right there. The Photon spacecraft uses a negative energy over the hull to generate a force on the hull. I can't even keep up. It's intense. Electric dipole spacecraft. It's just real intense. It gets real intense. I know I missed one. It's okay. Pretty intense. It's multiple forms of thrust for anti-gravity. Multiple. Can't even keep up. Intense. The rotor inductance propulsion system uses a domed hole and electrically charged rotors. Potential times of the area of the rotors create angular momentum in vertical direction. I mean, come on, man. It's intense. Cavitating oil hyperspace energy generator that uses cavitating oil bubbles within a magnetic field in order to create wormholes between space and hyperspace for the purpose of permeating the whole of spacecraft with low-density hyperspace energy. Check out the rest for yourself. Intense. This is one right here. Coming up is the electrodynamic field generator by Mark Tomian. Right? A device is a brushless high voltage electrical generator requiring suitable means of input rotary torque for purposes of producing a higher energy external electrodynamic field or continuous quasi-coherent DC corona or arc discharge of uniform current density which completely encloses the machine's conductive housing. I'm going to stop right there. This is basically some type of starship. Some type of starship. For entertainment purposes only. For educational purpose only. Time travel series. Thanks for watching.